When two giants of American industries come together, the results are nothing short of extraordinary. In this case, Newmar, one of the leading names in luxury RV manufacturing, has teamed up with Legacy Motor Club, a NASCAR team co-owned by racing legend Jimmie Johnson, to create an RV like no other. This collaboration has led to the creation of a custom-built King Aire motorhome, blending top-tier craftsmanship, luxury, and NASCAR racing heritage into one show-stopping machine. Newmar is already known for producing some of the finest luxury motorhomes on the market. Their King Aire model is a symbol of this excellence, starting at a hefty $1.6 million. But with LMC's input, this RV goes above and beyond, promising something unique for the NASCAR team's travels. The base price of a standard King Aire doesn't even begin to reflect the customization and special features packed into this one-of-a-kind RV built for the Legacy Motor Club. From the outside, this RV is a sight to behold. The exterior features a gold and white decal against a sleek black backdrop, a design that screams both luxury and racing pedigree. The massive side awnings that stretch the full length of the motorhome only add to its bold presence. As the team prepares to hit the road, the inviting front door beckons those inside to explore what's awaiting them. But the true marvel of this King Aire lies at the rear, where Newmar has included a cargo trailer that's not just a storage space. It's a fully equipped mobile repair shop. The trailer, from ATC, is customized with a lift station inside, allowing the LMC team to keep their race vehicles in top condition while on the move. This unique addition ensures that LMC has all the tools they need, no matter where their travels take them. Inside, the King Aire's interior is an embodiment of sophistication and comfort. Upon entering, you're greeted with an elevated living space that gives off a regal feel, true to its name, King Aire. The creamy color scheme is complemented by rich brown and pastel hues, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Tinted windows add privacy, while also enhancing the vehicle's sleek and modern aesthetic. The LED lighting integrated into the ceiling fixtures not only illuminates the space, but also doubles as a stylish decor element, adding a touch of opulence. The layout is equally impressive. The LMC crew can relax in theater-style seating across from secret drop-down TVs and a cozy sofa. The spacious galley boasts a massive countertop and a four-person dinette, ensuring the team has ample space to prepare meals or hold meetings while on the go. The RV is designed for function as much as comfort, with plenty of storage cabinets to accommodate all the necessary gear for their travels. While we catch only a glimpse of the rear area, it's clear that this RV has been designed with versatility in mind. The space appears to be set up for meetings and work rather than sleeping, with opposing couches replacing a traditional bed. This design reflects the needs of LMC as a mobile headquarters where planning, strategy sessions, and business can take place, all while keeping the team comfortable and close to the action. Although the exact cost of this custom King Aire is yet to be revealed, it's clear that this collaboration between Newmar and LMC is about much more than just creating a luxury RV. It's about blending racing heritage with the future of mobile living. For Newmar, it's an opportunity to showcase their ability to create bespoke, high-performance vehicles that cater to the unique needs of elite clients like Legacy Motor Club. For LMC, this RV serves as a rolling symbol of their legacy in NASCAR. As the team travels from race to race, fans might catch a glimpse of this multi-million-dollar masterpiece, a luxury RV that's more than just a mode of transportation. It's a piece of racing history. For those lucky enough to spot it, this King Aire represents the pinnacle of both luxury RV living and NASCAR's rich tradition.